2, 1, start.
Nice. It's like Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Himanshi Goel and this is my channel Bees and Baubles, and we are going to talk about my festive jewelry collection today, which is perfect for the upcoming festive / wedding season. And let me take you through my favorite pieces. So first of all, I'm going to show you a couple of necklaces from my collection, and the first one is this. It is a very beautiful pearl and coin detailing necklace. I'll insert an image or a video on the screen, and it's a very pretty and dainty piece, and I've also worn it a couple of times. It's from this brand called The Jewel Factor, which I'll mention all the details in the caption below. Next is this beautiful piece which I stole from my mom's jewelry collection. It is actually a bracelet and it goes like this, but I think it does a better job at being a choker, and I use it with, I just attach some kala dhaga on the ends, and then I wear it like this. I'll insert a picture or a video on the screen, and this looks absolutely stunning. It is one of my favorite pieces, and I think I've worn it the most number of times. Next up is this beautiful silver piece which I got from an exhibition when I went for a Dandiya Navratri night, and this also has matching earrings, which also I use quite often, and this can easily amp up a very basic outfit and can also be worn with western outfits, just as a statement piece, and I absolutely love it. Next is this beautiful neck piece which is perfect for traditional traditional wear suits and sarees, but should have a very plain neckline. Only then it will look good, because this is too heavy and too statement of a piece. This I got from an Instagram brand which I don't remember the name of, because this is very old, like 3 to 4 years old. So I'll definitely mention it in the caption if I am able to track down the details. Next is again a silver piece which has a very tribalish look, which I think can also be worn with western outfits, but till now I have only used it for Indian outfits. That is why it's in my festive collection. I think it will make a very nice, whenever you want a very strong, like not very festive and not very traditional kind of look, it will go very nicely with that. Next is again a very modern looking yet very traditional sort of a piece, choker, which is this one, and it's by this Instagram brand called Nitara, which I'll link below, and it's very pretty. I love the pink stones, and it goes perfectly with a lot of outfits because the pink is very muted. Next, I'm going to show you this beautiful bracelet that I have. I'll also insert a close-up picture of this. I love the work detailing that it has. It has pearls and some, I don't know what you call it, but some sort of white and silverish stones, and it has gold detailing on the side. So it actually goes with a lot of my outfits, and I've worn it a lot of times, and the color is still intact. It's been a year since I got it from this brand, again The Jewel Factor, which I'll link for you guys. Absolutely love this piece. Next is this beautiful piece which I got as a gift, and it's a very there's a very cool way that you wear it. You wear this thing first, and then you wear it like this first, and then you just wear this in your ring. This is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it. I'll also insert a zoom in shot for you, but it looks very pretty, and absolutely love it. Next, I have two of my most favorite rings, which are these. These rings are, I don't know if you can see it. I'll insert a zoom in shot. These are properly with gold detailing, and it also has some kundan detailing on it, and they look perfect with any Indian wear, any festive wear, and you can just wear one ring and you are done. You don't need to stack on a lot of rings. So it looks very pretty. Next, I'm going to show you my favorite pair of festive earrings. So these are my most favorite pair of earrings. I got it in a brand PR, and sadly I don't remember the brand. I'm so sorry, I can't even track down the brand. So if you guys know which brand might might be making these sort of earrings, please do let me know in the comment section below. And these go very nicely around the ear, and they don't have a like sort of a stopper behind them. And I love that style, and I love the pearl detailing as well, and also the color which is here, and it also goes with a lot of outfits. So I definitely think this is one of the most favorite piece in my collection. Next are these beautiful pair of earrings from this brand called Gulal, which I will again link it for you guys down below. And these are sort of jhumkas, and they are quite heavy, like they are quite heavy looking, but they don't weigh that much. So a plus point when you have to wear earrings for a long time. Next up are these beautiful earrings by a friend of mine called Simran Chhabra, and her jewelry brand name is also Simran Chhabra. So these are not very traditional, these are like modern slash traditional pieces, but they go perfectly well with all the traditional pieces that you can imagine because of the colors that are going on. It has red and green, and of course they are gold, so they go perfectly with all your festive wear and your traditional wedding wear. Next are these very beautiful nakhras from this brand called Nakhre Wali by my friend Sakhi, and I'm sure you know about this brand, and I absolutely love these earrings. They sent me over this pair last year, and they're absolutely stunning. And they also like these ghungroos are real, so they like, I'm sure you can listen to the sound. So they look absolutely stunning with anything I wear, and add a lot of nakhra to that outfit. Next is this pair of beautiful silver earrings which I got from Janpath, and they have a very cute detailing going on. They have a lotus motif, and I have not seen anything in this shape ever in silver earrings. So, and they look very pretty. Next are these Chand Balis, which I guess are the oldest in my collection, and they are just like classic basic Chand Balis. When you have nothing to wear, you can definitely go for these ones. Next are these oxidized gold earrings, which are very traditional and looks very vintage, and they come with this ear chain which you can wear or you can detach according to your preference and outfit, and I think they look very stunning. Now this next pair is a little modern, and it's not your very traditional piece, but it looks very gorgeous with the with a little bit of modern silhouettes and everything. It's from this brand called Tiana, and I love the emerald color going on in this. Next are these smallest earrings which I have in my collection, and they are actually a part of the necklace that I showed you in the beginning, and they are very cute and pretty. And whenever you're wearing something statement-y or you don't want something too big in your ears, I definitely go for these ones. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you liked it and enjoyed my festive jewelry collection. I will mention all the details below, and if there's anything you need to know about any particular earring or any particular piece, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll definitely get back to you. And thank you so much for your love and support. Please like, share and comment on this video if you found it useful, and please share it with your friends. It would mean a lot to me.